Good morning, folks. Dag DMV here with your DMV team. I'm here checking out this gorgeous three bedroom, 2.5 bathroom townhome in West Springfield. Great schools, fully updated. Let's check it out. Okay, so I just walked in. Have a half bathroom here, granite countertops throughout. Walking into the kitchen here, eat-in kitchen area. As you come this way, you have the formal dining area, as well as tons of living space. Let's head on upstairs, see what else the house has in store. We just made it upstairs, entering the master bedroom. Heading into the master bathroom. Dual closets. Attic for extra storage space. You have another full bathroom here on the main level. Bedroom 2, very spacious, with a queen bed in it. And then bedroom 3, actually very spacious. Let's go downstairs to the basement. All right, so we're making our way down to the basement. Fireplace. Make our way over here. You have a bedroom tucked away here. Over here you have a closet space, as well as additional storage space, which takes you out into the backyard. Again, folks, this is on sale, listed just around $450,000.